how to create this kind of animated
soldier
video.
Guy to come and marry me because he is the only guy that can defend you.
For those that don't want to show their face, you want to go into faceless content. This can be monetized on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, anywhere. You can monetize it. You can use it to grow your page. People are going viral with this kind of videos right now. Let me show you how to generate the image and how also to make the image talk. Generate any kind of animated videos you want. Let me take you and show you in this video. Share this. You guys doesn't share my videos. Share this. Let me take you and show you. Let's go. We're going to ask Meta AI to generate an image for us, and you can use Facebook. Now click on this plus button. When you click on it, you click on stories. When you click on story to bring you to this interface, you can see the ones I've generated. What you need to do is just to click on this and just drag it this way. When you drag it, you see AI image. Just tap on it. AI images. You can download the app from here. You can see the app. You say, get it. Are you getting me? Or if you don't want to download it, what you need to do now is to click on this place where you see create. Tap on it this way. Now and type your prompt, what you want it to generate. And you can see what I put here. Okay. Generate a beautiful Nigerian lady sitting on the street. Now you click on this arrow. Look at it now. Wait for it. It will generate the image immediately that you are going to use to create your video. You can see. Look at this one now. You can see this one. Okay. It will generate as much as you want. You choose the one you like. You can see this one. Now, I think I like this one. What you need to do is just to tap on this button. Tap on this three dot. When you tap on it, you see save. Click on this save to save it to your gallery. After saving the image to your gallery, what you need to do now is to take another step where you're going to download an app that will help you to generate that particular video using the image. Let's go to the second step. Now open your Play Store and download this Click Smartest. That is what you need to download. Now click on it, open it. When you open it, it will bring you to this interface. You come up here where you see Imagine. Tap on this Imagine. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this interface. Now you come down here where you see this photo. Okay, the arrow is pointing. You click on it. Now it will take you to your gallery. Now I'll select one like this one. When you select it, tap on the screen. Okay, it will start generating the video immediately, and you can see it generating the video. Okay, just be patient and wait for it to generate. After generating the video, come down here and tap on this to enter your prompt, what you want it to say. For me, I've just typed it. Okay, now you can copy my own prompt. You can see my prompt here, and you can see my prompt. What I want it to say is, I want Yerima the soldier guy to come and marry me because he is the only one that can defend me. After that, you click on this arrow. Now the video will be generated immediately. Now you can choose the resolution you want it to be. Are you getting me? It says confirm your age. Now you select your age. Depends on the age. Now you have to select your age. Okay. Now after selecting your age, you click on continue. You can see it now generating the video. Now you can see it. Let me just put volume.
I want Yerima the soldier guy to come and marry me because he is the only guy that can defend you. I want Yerima the soldier guy to come and marry me because he is the only guy that can defend you.
Have you seen it now? Just that prompt that I gave it, that is what is just saying. This is amazing, guys. And one good thing about it is that it can be monetized on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, any platform at all, because this is just pure. And you can upload it on your stories on Facebook. You can upload it on YouTube, use it, grow your YouTube and get it monetized. This is just simple like that. Now, after that, you click on this button to download it. This is a download button. Now, tap on it this way and you see allow. Just click on allow. You see it start downloading. You see downloading have started. It will be downloaded to your gallery immediately. That is how to generate that. If you find it useful, please click the share button, share it for others to benefit.